One. Oh, damn. Oh, come on, make Terriers. I'm stuck. Oh my days, oh, no! It's the end! No! Guys, no! Don't press the button forward. That's what I'm playing today. This game is technically epic mini games, but more energy in it and less copyrighted songs. I have 7 lives and my goal is to survive. And if I lose all my 7 lives, then this video ends. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn the notifications bell so you're notified when I upload something brand new. Anyways, enjoy the video. Do you even get to do it? No, Yasmin, you breathe too hard. You can watch it later on YouTube, okay? I promise, okay? Enter the mysterious cave.
Bless you.
Oh my days. Okay, reach the top. Oh, come on, make that! Oh man, I didn't make it. I was so close as well. Okay, no, laptop, listen to me. Laptop, listen to me. Banana. Let's go with bananas. I've in all my years never have I experienced being a banana. Why am I so long? Oh no, please move! That's so annoying. But I'm over here, that's me. I'm over here. Oh damn, I'm dead. Oh man, that's so unfair. Well, I'm over here now. I missed my banana. Wait, well, how did that guy die but he still has his banana? Okay, now I can stop saying that. That sounds good as hell. The controller won. Oh, that was this. Hey, let's bring out our good friend, Dayla. This is technically Caleb, but Clint. Call him Dayla because he dies a lot. Dayla, I need you. I'm just gonna stay in this. Nice. Awesome. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you guys. I have 7 lives in total. So if I die, I lose a life. And if I use all my lives, then the video ends. There it is. I'm stuck. Oh! Watch out. Oh my days. That was a close one. Reach the mountaintop. I can reach this. I will make it. The others will perish. Oh! That's one. I swear that thing spawns right in front of me. Oh, there we go. Woo! Right as well. Go! Come on, we got this. I'm guessing don't go into that because then that'll freeze me or something. Oh no! I'm okay. It doesn't instant kill, so that's a good thing to look forward to. Reach. Okay, now we're in the dark areas. I'm stuck. Oh! No! That was my second life loss because I lost my first one. That area. You know when in that temple, yeah, there. Oh, that was close. Yeah, come on, make it. Woo. already made it, so we got to make it as well. Can't believe that crevice literally landed right on top of me. I'm stuck in the sky. Great. Only one door is correct. Reach the end. Okay, the first one's blue. Second one's red, of course. Third one, let's say green. I'm dead. No! I just realized that's my third life gone. So I gotta be careful about this.
Daylob, I need you. Let's jump together. Daylob, come on, jump. Daylob, it took you 2 seconds to die. So useless. Bye, love Daylob. Daylob's my friend. He's dead again. Hello, welcome back to Technically, I'm just spawn killing him. Daylob, I'm so sorry. Oh, Daylob, you're finally... Oh, of course, that's when you choose to stick on. Don't fall off. Daylob! Daylob! Oh, Daylob's not even here. Well, as long as I just stay on the block, I can survive. So if I just stay like this, I'll be alive. Oh, that's fine. And I just died. Great. What's this? Like the control room, I guess. Got a nice little computer set up. This is something I could never get. Flav is a freaking laptop. But I'm grateful for it. I'm grateful for you guys too. Okay, mine, I'm pressing it. I want to press it. Find the button. I just want to find me, bro. I'm too black, I can't even see myself. Wait, I'll just go fire. Woo! Let's go on some nothing. Oh, Dayla. Okay. I lost my 4th life, so I only have 3 lives. I'm on 2 lives. I need to make it. Yay! I only have 2 lives left, but I still made it. Yay! Wait, what? Get your team ball to the end. I don't want to die. No! Okay, we can't fall off. We can't fall off. That's a good thing. So, it's a guaranteed. Like, we won't lose. Not lose, sorry. We won't. Oh, no! No! That's no. Oh. Cheaters. I can't press that button. Reach the end. Oh, what? Oh, that's close. No! No! Oh, that was close. Yeah! I made it! Taylor! You're gonna die in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Caleb, you actually survived. Well done, I'm actually proud of you. Wait, did I press it? I didn't even check. Watch out! Oh no! Acid is spreading, yet I'm alive. Ah! No! I have 1 life left. If I die now, it's over. I cannot afford to die. I don't want to die. I don't want to die. Well, I'm gonna have to start using my items soon to help me survive. Red's right there. Oh. I like that park. I want to try that. Orange. 3, 2, 1. Make it. Nice. I'm gonna make it legit. The first one to make it legit. Ha! Oh. So close. Wait, I don't think there's any of that color. There's none of that color. Just make it anyways. Let's go. We made it. We made it. Let's move on to the next round. Oh my days! Oh no! It's the end. No, guys, no. Let's just do one final bonus round right after this. Reach the exit. Okay, if I make it now, you guys have to click like and subscribe. I'm dead. And I'm dead again. You know, I'm going to use my jetpack. And yeah, I'm done. I'm also done with this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to click the like button and subscribe and turn the notifications bell so you're notified when I upload something brand new. Thank you so much for watching.